There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well.
I just finished washing this fridge. I don't know whether, if it's not clean, then it's not my fault because I can buy a mug. If it's not properly cleaned, it is not my fault. I can buy a mug because I just got here. Everything in this fridge was rotten because I don't know what happened. Now I've took out everything that was here. I'm only left with tomato sauce and water, but everything that was here I've taken it out. It's here. Everything is rotten. Yeah, it is here. We've got peppers, we've got cheese, we've got tomatoes. I don't put onion in my fridge. I was told not to. And then I've washed this side as well, because when I got to my room, I was home for 2 weeks. When I got to my room, okay, it's now cold, I can put everything back. When I don't know what happened, but my fridge has defrosted, and yeah, that's, no, I've put this wrong. Put this. I still need to write the emergency numbers here, but they're on my phone. Why do I need to write them down? But I'm still gonna do it anyway. But yeah, I've managed to wash my fridge. Those that joined me on the live stream, they know what happened. But I came back. I don't know what happened, or the power tripped or something, but everything melted in my fridge. Like, my fridge was in a melting mode. It was melted. Everything that was in the fridge is here. Everything. Some of them, I think I need to throw them away, and I still need to do a grocery haul, and it is almost 9 o'clock in the evening. But now I need to do a grocery haul because I bought things. Some of these I think I'm gonna throw away because I feel like they are bad. They've went bad because of the fridge situation. So I'm gonna throw some of this away. I came home, something happened to the plug. I don't know what happened, but my fridge was off. Everything in this house was off, and the most important thing in this house is the fridge, because it keeps the meat. So now if everything is defrosted, how am I going to do it? So I think I should just do a grocery haul, show you what I bought while at it, because like, I don't know when's Zagalene, guys. I don't know when's Zagalene, but anyhow, we are here now, so we're gonna do a grocery haul. I wanted to cook spinach, but as you can see, it is already late. I bought this spinach from Boxer, and it is very fresh. If you know me, you know I love spinach, so it is very fresh. I think I'm gonna cook it tomorrow. What was the price of the spinach. I don't know. I think I lost the sleep somewhere. But okay, I got spinach. I bought Evox. If you know me, you know I always buy Evox. Yo, everything melted in my fridge. Also melted. Like everything, G, is the makar. I bought chicken feet. I bought brisket, beef brisket. I was just topping up on the things that I thought I needed in the house, and I bought a pork. And I bought means. I just wanted to show you guys what happened while I was away. While I was away, Mina enjoying izingoma ekhaya. This happened, so yeah. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow when I cook my spinach. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care. Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care.
So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alice Nimalo. If you are new here and joining me for the first time, please click the subscribe button down below to become a member of my family. And if you are a regular, thank you for coming back. Thank you for choosing my channel yet again. So on this day, my friend She tricked me into a 1 kilometer walk because she was like, let's go and buy potato chips. So the place that sells potato chips, it's a bit far from where we stay, but it's a walk distance. So we walked from our place to there, and we were coming back and the sun was setting. So I decided to show you the sun setting. I decided to show you how beautiful the sun is. We are walking along the N4 road, like the N4 National Road. So, yeah, you will be seeing a bit of pieces of us walking on the N4, and then I decided to show you the view. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment if you can. I really appreciate each and every one of you who clicked and watched this video up until this far. So this way, the chips that we bought, I'm gonna have them for supper. I'm not gonna cook. It was one of my off days, so I wasn't planning on cooking. I was just going to have the potato chips and bread for supper, and then yeah, that will be it. So that's me just showing you the view of the info. Is it the view of the road or something? Yeah, that's me showing you the view of the road. And we did a 1 kilometer walk without thinking about it. I'm not used to walking there, so I was a bit tired. But we managed, and I'm happy. I wanted to do it the following day, but she was like, no, I'm tired. So we only did it for one day, and then yeah, that's me. I always tell you guys that I live in the mountains. So yeah, that's where I live. But there are houses there. But it is in the mountains. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I will see you in my next upload. And please don't forget to like the video. Even if you can comment, you can just leave a heart or something, but make sure that you comment, make sure that you like the video. You just press the like button when you join, and then yeah, that will be added as a like in the video. I really appreciate you guys for being here. I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.